Hi students, I know some of you are very concerned about uploading a file in Canvas for the first time, and I just want to tell you don't worry about this. You've got this, you can do this, and you're going to be doing this in a lot of other classes in the future. So let's go ahead and go to our modules, and what you're going to need to do for this very first educational journey letter assignment is instead of clicking on this right here in the modules or at home, I want you to go to assignments. You're going to go to assignments, click on assignments, and you want to make sure that you are showing by type, as that will be the easiest way to find the assignment. You're going to go down here to Educational Journey Letter Assignment, click there, and you want to, if you need additional directions, there are additional directions here. If you need more instructions on online components, you can click here and go to the Getting Started module before you submit, just to make sure everything's fine. Our rubric for this assignment is here. And how you will submit this assignment is you will go to Submit Assignment. You will go to Choose File. So you're going to need to upload a file, and you want to go ahead and just maybe click one that your educational journey letter assignment, wherever you have that on your desktop or on your computer. I'm just going to click a random file here, right here, and I'm going to open that, and you can see the file listed there. And then what you want to do is you want to just submit assignment. And then what you'll have is hopefully a box that tells you you have submitted this assignment, and you should be good. Everything will be great. And if you have any questions, feel free to see me. I'm in my office during office hours, so if you have a question, just come see me. All right, good luck.